Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Atish. I'm a data scientist working here in Gurgaon, India. In this video, we are going to talk about data science salaries in India. In my previous videos, a lot of you have been asking me about what is your salary, what is the salary of a fresher in data science field, how to start the data analyst field, etc. So, primarily in this video, we will talk about what are the different types of roles in data science, what are the expected salaries from fresher to senior levels. Depending on your position and seniority level, the benefits you will get in working in India, the working culture, salary increment, networking, promotion, and all that matters. My search of salaries is based on both publicly available information that you can find in Glassdoor, Indeed, LinkedIn for a particular role as well as from my own experience. The offers I got from companies, a bit of discussion with my friends who work in the same field about their experience, as well as the salary ranges that we will be talking about. It's before applying payroll tax. Whenever you are still in university and working towards completing your bachelor or master's study, you might do an internship or maybe a master's thesis with a company. It's really hard to say how much compensation you would get. I think in recent years most data science internships are paid internships, even though companies are not obliged to pay for the interns. Paid internships usually have the salary ranging between 25,000 and 40,000 on a full-time basis, but keep in mind that most internships are part-time internships and due to your school work. So if you could only work for 2 to 3 days a week, you would of course earn half the amount. Internship is usually a great step to an official entry to the data science job. So let's move straight to the first data science role, which is data analyst. An entry-level data analyst often makes around 4 lakh to 6 lakh rupees per year as base salary with a median salary of 5 lakh. If you are living somewhere in the US, you are probably thinking, wow, that's pretty low. Yeah, you do often get less in India than that compared to US or Europe for the same job. But taking into account the other benefits like vacation days, healthcare cost, etc., which I will talk about later in this video, I think it's actually not that bad. 4 lakh to 6 lakh seems to be a wider range, but depends a lot with the companies and the kind of nature you are working in and the experience that you had during your internship period. If you are applying for an entry-level data analyst job at a commercial company straight out of your master's or internship, I think it's reasonable to aim for base salary of around 4 to 5 lakh per year. But it's always good to do some extra research on the starting salary in your specific company and industry. Senior data analyst can, with 2 to 5 years of experience, can expect something in between 3 to 5 lakh extra on top of the data analyst salary. So you might expect to earn up to 7 lakh rupees per year or even more, especially if you have the right combination of skills and domain knowledge. Moving on to the business analyst position. Business analysts in general earn roughly the same as data analysts, maybe slightly higher on an average from 4.5 to 6.5 lakh rupees per year. The median annual salary of business analysts is around 5.5 lakh rupees. I do realize the trend that in bigger companies, it is the higher salary for business analysts it usually offers. Business analysts are the people who help directly with the decision making of a business. So bigger companies probably want to put higher importance on this role. Now, let's talk about the sexiest job of the 21st century, data scientist. Let's first talk about junior data scientist job. Junior data scientist salary range somewhere between 4.5 to 7.5 lakh rupees per year with a median salary of 6 lakh. Data scientist salaries range somewhere between 7 to 12 lakh rupees with a median salary of 9 lakh rupees per year. Data scientist is being used for a lot of different roles out there because there is lack of a clear definition of what it means to be a data scientist. So a lot of data science positions I have seen are more similar to a data analyst or even data engineer position. However, those companies that really know what they are looking for usually offers really very good salaries. Senior data scientists or data science team leads are probably the richest one with 12 lakh to 18 lakh rupees as a base salary, with a median salary of 15 lakh rupees per year. Large companies here like to pay more than 18 lakh rupees for senior data scientists, especially for those who have a PhD or master's, in computer science, econometrics, mathematics, statistics, and an extensive working experience in data science. To put it in perspective, 18 lakh rupees salary in India is a lot. If you think about the median salary of the whole working population here, which is roughly around 4 lakh rupees per year. However, you might also realize that data science salaries in India don't tend to be that high if compared to those in UK, London specifically, or San Francisco, where data scientists are paid much higher. In addition to the salary, there are other benefits. Employee gets a minimum of 20 days of paid vacation. There's also sick leave, that you get. If you get sick for a couple of days, you can just take the sick leave. But if you get sick, for a extended period, you can take, unpaid leaves, which is sabbatical for 1 to 2 months. So if you become a parent, of course, you get a paternal leave. I think right now the maternal leave is somewhere, from 14 to 16 weeks in total. So summing up the time of before and after giving birth. From what I remember, new fathers also get about 2 to 3 weeks of paternity leave at full wage. You also get health insurance, though you have to pay for your own health insurance, but it's not expensive. So we have talked about data science salaries before. How about bonus? Bonus is often determined by your performance, seniority level, and also how well the company has been doing in the past year. If you are a data analyst or a data scientist in the financial sector like banks or asset management companies, you are highly likely to get higher bonus. But I think in general, you can expect somewhere between 5 to 10% of your annual salary if you are doing okay. So the next question that comes up in this is the salary raise. The salary raise or increment of companies I've worked with is usually between 5 to 15%. It's clearly not a lot, but if you are looking for a big promotion and a big salary raise, the best way probably is to apply for another job to another company that offers highest salary. Generally after 2 to 3 years in data science, you can raise your price quite high a bit, because 2 to 3 years in data science is such a long time. I hope the information in this video is practical and useful for you, and that you know now more about what to expect when working in data science in India. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you don't like this video, then double click on the like button. I hope you enjoy this video and see you next time. Till then, bye bye.